How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to Serene Madness. Today is going to be a knife video because I know you've been looking for them. This knife video is my top 3 carry folders of 2016, and let's just get right into it. First knife we have Kershaw Leak Blackout Edition. This is by far, in my opinion, pound for pound, one of the best carry knives ever. It's just a worker. This is just a really good knife. Sharp. It does the job, and I highly recommend everybody just getting a Leak. Doesn't have to be the Blackout Edition, but you get a Leak, and it is just really, really cool. It's just really good. So yeah, I carry this a lot, and it's really gross right now because it's got all kinds of junk on it, and I need to clean the blades because it's nasty. So yeah, that was one. I EDC'd this a lot last year. So, okay. Come on, it's stuck. There we go. Second knife. This perhaps is probably in my top 5 knives in my collection, one of my favorite knives of all time. Folders. Is the Generation 2 Spyderco Stainless Endura. This is just such an awesome knife. Always wanted one of these. Always wanted one of these. Back in the late 80s when Spyderco first started putting out knives to the public, because I don't know if you know this, but Spyderco didn't originally make knives. They made sharpeners. That's what they did. Knife sharpeners. Piece of trivia for you. And then they got into knives. So in the late 80s, they came out with their first knife called the Worker, or the C01, I believe. It's called the Worker. But the most popular knife of the first line was the military or the police version to this. It had a different tip. It had like a spear tip kind of thing. It had like a sledge right here, and it usually said police or MP on it, because these were originally geared toward military and law enforcement, and then just everybody bought them. I only wish that back then I had the foresight to have pulled the trigger on a couple of those, because Gen 1s are really, really expensive, and they're just awesome. And I was a teenager back then, and it was broke. So that's my second most carry knife of 2016, and again, this is probably one of my top 5 all-time favorite knives in my collection, folders in my collection. The third knife, the third most carried knife in 2016, most carried folder in 2016, is this one. As you can tell, I like stainless knives. I love stainless Spydercos. I've been trying to acquire as many stainless Spydercos as I can, but they can get pricey. Especially the older generations you go, which is the ones I'm looking for. The older they are, the more expensive they are. This one, I believe, is also a Gen 2. This one both of these knives, I know this one came out in 91, the Endora. This one was a 91. And I think this was, I looked it up, and I think this was a 90, so this could be a Gen 3. This one came out in 90, this one was made in 93. That was 91, this was 93. I have 3 Spyderco stainless knives. I have the Endora, the Delica, and the Bug. And then I have a 4th Spyderco. I have the Spyderco Persistence. I have 4 Spydercos in my collection. But I love these knives. They're workers, they're just workhorses, and I love them. So yeah, those are my 3 top carry knives. Carrier Folds 2016. That's it. Leave your comments in the description box below. Please like this video. If you have any requests for anything you want to see on this channel, tell me what you want to see. I do all kinds of stuff. Find you, Serene in a Mad World. I'm out.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.